Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can get free stuff on TEMU in 2025. So all that you have to do is go to this link. I'm going to type out bit.ly/TEMU free. Now, once you go to this link, you'll get prompted with a new GIF here, right? So for my GIF, it'll be a completely free 100-watt fast charging Type-C cable with digital display with durable nylon compatible with multiple brands. So you can see this is what the charging cable will look like. It has a gold digital display here as well. Not much cable have that. You can see it'll look like this. It's a pretty fast charging cable as well. It's 100 watt. For comparison, the usual charging cable is only usually 33 to 24 watts. So this is a pretty fast, almost double and triple the speed. But it's only, of course, if your phone supports the kind of charging speed this supports, right? So things like these, it's 5A. This is the nylon rope system as well. And you can see this is the prerequisites. You need to be a new app user and you also have qualifying orders. If you want to claim this, all you have to do is scan the QR code in the screen right now to download the TEMU app and then claim your free gifts. If you liked this video, please consider liking and subscribing.